I'm going to show you how to find and use the best deals in the Walgreens app, which you can use both in store or in the app like I'm about to show you. So the first thing we do is when we open up the Walgreens app, and assuming you're logged in, you can actually see it will be on the home screen like this. And the first way you can actually find coupons is you can go to the shop and save in the bottom right corner, and if we scroll down just a little bit and click on show all categories, you can click on any of these categories, which will actually display all of the best deals within each of these categories. For example, if I want to click on beauty, let's just say, you can actually scroll down and clip any of these deals just by clicking on the plus icon when you see a deal that you might want to add, been used in store or in the app, and you can see it'll turn into a check icon or just go white like it is doing so now. And when you actually even search for stuff, you can actually see it'll display all of the deals just on top, all of the things that have a discount or have coupons accessible at the moment. And you can see if we scroll down even more, it'll show more related coupons to whatever this thing is that you're trying to buy. You can see there's a bunch of mouthwashes or in toothpaste and toothbrush deals. Like since I searched for Crest toothpaste, that's what's displaying. And you can do this for like every single thing on the app. So it doesn't just go for toothpaste, it could go for like toilet paper, food, drinks, photos, literally anything. And if we go into the bottom right corner and click on photo, you can actually see there is a bunch of photo saving deals, which you can see at the top of the screen right here. And if you are interested in one of these deals, you can click on the details option just to see what the catch is, if there is a catch, or you can click on save code, which I'll show you how to redeem these codes on the app or in store in a second. And if we go back to the home screen, just like I'm on so now, you can actually see at the very top of the screen, just on this feed in general, there's like a bunch of deals and just things that they're offering in the app that may pique your interest. And you can see if we just click on any of these categories just on the home screen, it will basically bring you to more information just about them and just suggest more similar deals depending on if you want pickup or delivery. Just keep in mind the deals are the same across almost all locations, but if there is a store that's like trying to get rid of something that is like they have too much stock of or something, then the deals might be different. But you can see there's so many different deals just on the screen right here. And if we actually go back into this option, the home screen on the app, you can actually see we can click on weekly ad, which will basically mail you a custom list of coupons to your Walgreens store. And you can basically get this just in the mail, or you can actually just view them on the app like I'm doing so now. All you do to access this again is you click on weekly ad when you're on the home screen of the app next to schedule vaccination, and you can basically view all of these deals. And again, if we want to save any of these deals that we may be interested in, you can just save them all. You don't even have to use them all and remove them later, but we can actually just click on it, click on the plus icon next to it, and you can see it saved the deal. And if you want to unclip it, you click on the check, which will unsave it. But you can see at the bottom of the screen right here, it actually just says saved offers. And basically when we click on saved offers, you can view all of the coupons that we have clipped so far and the expiration dates on them. Now, some of these that might be much better deals might expire a lot sooner just because they want to create that sense of urgency in you. But you can basically look at all of your deals, and if you want to remove it, you click on the remove button, or you can actually view redeem deals just by clicking on the redeem option here. Now, if you want to get to this section of the screen, you can basically just go to the home screen to view all your deals, and you can swipe to the side and click on coupons right here. And when we click on coupons, you can actually see all of these additional coupons just on this page right here, which if you want to clip or save one of these, you click on the clip option and it will basically save it and show you all of your savings in the bottom right corner of the screen, which you can see there's like pretty much an infinite number of deals. The best ones are typically at the top, like earn $3 of rewards if you buy 2 of these things. And you can also filter these coupons just by categories. There's just so many different deals in this app that like you can probably look through all of them, or just look for what you want through the search bar and just add those deals to the app. That's probably the best option. But if you do want to view all of your clipped coupons and just spin these deals, what you do is you click on coupons just on the home screen under the search bar, where it'll bring you to this page, and you click on saved offers right here. And once you're on this page, you can basically click on any of these offers that you want to redeem. In this case, if I want to redeem this one for this face stuff, you can see I cannot currently redeem it just because I don't have an additional item in my cart, which this coupon actually requires you to have. So I'm just going to add something. You can do this more customizable depending on the coupon that you may want. But you can see right here, now that I've actually applied this coupon, down, we can actually view this item, and when we go to our shopping cart right here, we can simply click on proceed to checkout, whether you want pickup or delivery. Just keep in mind all of these coupons do have like a buy 3 items get 1 free type thing, so all of them don't get applied just automatically. I recommend just like reading the description so that you can actually make sure that the coupon you're trying to use does meet the requirements when you're checking out. But you can see if we go to the shop and save right here and click on our cart option, you can actually see it'll bring you to your cart and show you all of the coupons that you have currently applied to your savings. Now you can continue adding them just by going over, leaving the cart and going over to the home screen right here. Again, going to coupons, and you can actually add any of these coupons. Click on your saved offers and click on them and add more items so that you can actually meet the eligibility requirements when it comes to using these coupons. But you can see when we go back to our home screen like so and go to the cart in the top right hand corner, when we're actually ready to check out, all of the coupons will be applied automatically, assuming you meet the requirements. You can scroll down, and I recommend just Googling Walgreens promo codes, which you can just enter in the code right here. Now, keep in mind, not all of them work, but if you can get a coupon code, that's extra savings, just like right off the back, super easy. And we can see when we scroll down, you can see it'll subtract all of your coupons just from your purchase and this estimated total on the screen right here. And if we actually go down, click on proceed to checkout right here. Now, once on the screen, this is only the checkout for when it comes to picking up orders or just ordering them for delivery to your address online. So if you do want to use these coupons in store, what you need to do is we just leave this screen, go to the home screen of our app. What you need to do is you can actually enter in your phone number, assuming you are a Walgreens member. And when you enter in your phone number at the kiosk at checkout, it'll basically apply all of these coupons automatically. After you inform the cashier that you want to spend some of these coupons, they can actually view the list of coupons that you have added just to your Walgreens app, and those will automatically be applied assuming you have them clipped on the app. Or you can actually scan the barcode just by clicking on the barcode option next to the search bar, and you can basically scan this barcode just on the app, and doing so will allow you to actually add these coupons to your purchase when it comes to checkout. Now, when there are a few catches when it comes to using these coupons, keep in mind you can only use $50 of rewards a day. Other than that, that's pretty much all you need to know how to add and how to use these coupons in store. And yeah, it's really easy to do. And all of these deals can easily be used on your computer as well. If you just go to the Walgreens website, you can easily see there's a large display of all of these deals, coupons, and offers, and you can easily search for stuff and just find more deals in general. Again, I recommend looking for more of these clearance things. You can see there's an Easter clearance thing, so if you're looking for events that are significantly cheaper offers, you can actually just look up Walgreens holiday discounts, and you can actually view a list of all of Walgreens discounts. So yeah, that's another like kind of loophole, just looking for things on sale after things have already passed. But the website is really easy to use as well. And one last important note is there's always a bunch of new coupons and new savings that are always constantly coming out when it comes to their website and app and just in store in general. So always be on the lookout for those, and be on the lookout for when these coupons that you may be clipping expire, because if they expire, you can't use them. But there are always new ones coming out, so that's always a good thing to note. If you found this helpful, leave a like down below, and happy saving.